Hey folks, and welcome back to Switzerland. Today I'm in St. Stephan, that's a small village between Zweisimmen and Lenk in the Bernese Oberland. When it starts to getting colder in the mountains and the first snow is falling, then it's time for the cows to go down to the valley. This event is a so-called Alm Descent, and that's what I want to show you in this video. Let's go. The Alm Descent is a traditional event in the Alps where livestock is brought down from the mountain pastures to the valley at the end of summer. Between late August and October, the animals are decorated with flowers, bells, and colorful ribbons. The herders, often dressed in traditional attire, lead the cattle down while singing and playing music. The Alm Descent celebrates the end of the alpine summer and symbolizes a successful season. Many towns hold festivals with markets and music, making it a popular attraction for tourists.